I'm glad you're here. This is Unit 721 at the Village Park Condos on San Gabriel Village Boulevard in Georgetown. That's the floor plan, and let's step on inside. This is the main living area. I love it. It's bright. It's got really rich floors. They seem like reclaimed wood. Whether they are or whether they're not, I'm not sure that is so important, but they're just beautiful. What do you think? Maybe you need to see them in person. This, by the way, is courtesy of Tommie Bruderer on the Arant team at Keller Realty Lake Travis. Check out those floors. I'll show you a floor plan again here in a second and just give you perspective. Here we are in the kitchen, and we're going to take a look around. Nicely appointed. Got wine racks, double oven, microwave, 4-burner gas stove, plenty of storage. There's something important to me, a dishwasher, of course, and a double sink. Single sinks look nice, but the double sink seemed to function better. What are your thoughts on that? Here's a trail that goes up or down river. You can go up to the Sheraton that you see there in the background, up to Lake Georgetown and around if you wanted to, or down to the park, or to the most beautiful square in Texas. The house is listed, or the condo is listed at $455,000. Here we are in the master bedroom or primary suite. And the HOA fee, or the condo dues, are $482 monthly. You do have a single stall parking space, and there is other parking as well. A parking space, it's actually a garage. Let's take a look at all that the main bathroom has to offer. I really like just the rich, earthy tones in the counter space. I see greens and reds and browns, and it's just inviting to the eye. I bet you could sit there and see all kinds of different things throughout the day. And now we are heading down already towards the end of the tour. Maybe you could put a door in right there and make this a private office and bedroom suite. But I'm glad you could join us today, and I look forward to seeing you on the video.